Namaskar. Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Friends, another beautiful sofa set that I'm showing you. This is a 311, a five-seater sofa, and a nice design as well as a Maharaja concept that we love to share and love to show you. This one is going to Florida, US, and this is in teak wood, antique gold paint again, our most liked color, and the fabric as per the client's choice. This design is more like a chase design. If you see the handles on both sides with a curved design and two bolsters, this kind of concept generally runs in a chase, but the design is for a sofa. And anywhere you place this kind of set, it will give a different look to the place entirely. If we talk about the size part, this one is 6 feet outer, 28 inches front to back, and 4.5 feet high. We have two chairs along with this, 36 inches outer, front to back 28, and again 4.5 feet high. The overall look of this set is the Maharaja style, the king style throne and king style design that you see here. And the kind of work we have is the quality of arson that I have been showing you in the past more than 400 videos on YouTube and a lot of pictures and stuff that we have posted on a website, arsonwoods.com. Now, this is a three-seater because the size is of a three-seater. But with the curves, as you see on both sides, the internal area is a little less. Now, if you see here, I'm sitting on this corner, and with the bolster and the handle curve, the space inside is for a two-seater. So, though it's a three-seater, but the sitting area is for two people. But for comfortable two people sitting, so a little extra, a few inches for two people, there's a little comfortable set as compared to a regular two-seater. The back design that you see here is the elevated design, and it goes till the bottom. So the cushions are on both sides, and the middle area is the wood part, and that gives this set a different look from our regular sets, the other sets that I've shown you. The curves on the handles is a reverse curve. Generally, in normal sets, you see the curve is going out. Here we have a reverse curve inside, and the bolsters are going inside the curve part, and that's why it's a different set than what I've shown you earlier in different videos. The carving, the woodworking, the crafting, everything is very fine, and with the antique thing, everything comes out very naturally, very beautifully, and does give a different look to the unit. You can put it anywhere you want, in a living room or in a lobby, or you can keep the set in parts like chairs in a bedroom for a bedroom chair and three-seater in a different place. So it works everywhere. The three-seater unit alone can work, and two chairs separately can work in a different place. This one, as I mentioned, is going to Florida, US. So we are shipping globally. Anywhere you want out of India, let us know, we can deliver there. If you are looking for something in India, we deliver to everywhere in India, all the parts. So you can contact us and we'll get the costing as per your requirement. The work is nice, solid teak wood, very durable. The paint is Duco. Just like the car is painted, same process is done on the wood, and thus very durable paint it is. Lasts for years and years. The shine would be like this. It will be high gloss for years to come. The fabric is as per the client's choice. The quality is good. The color and the texture is as per what she liked. So we have shared the options. She selected one and we used that one. We provide personalization option to every client, so you can get what you want, what type you're looking for, and we create that and deliver to your place. 100% personalization for the number of seats, the design, the colors, the fabrics, and the delivery place also where you want. So we have no restrictions as such. Anywhere in India, we can deliver. Outside India also, we're delivering to most of the places. The arson quality, the beauty of the set, everything is visible very clearly here. And I would request you to let us know how we are doing. If you have any comments, if you didn't like anything or you want to add something, let us know. We'll be happy to hear from you. A few comments of yours. Thank you so much.